Happy Wednesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So hopefully you know this by now, but if you don't, we are coming out with a fully trainable, fully automatic AI bot. But one of the things that we wanted to do is make sure not only did we think it was amazing, but we wanted to make sure that you thought it was amazing. So what we've been doing in the background is been working with some very big marketers who have been trying this out in the real world and giving us really good feedback. And so before we release it to everybody, which we're oh so close to doing, we wanted to make sure we had everything tied up that they had asked us for. And today is one of those days. So what we're doing is we're releasing these enhancements to everybody so they're part of the training process so that you can have them at the ready before you ever launch your bot and while you're actually trying it out or getting it going. So if you don't know this already, we have the AI bot fully available in the settings of the sub account locations. I think you have to turn it on in labs. So, and also you have to turn it on in the agency company setting. So FYI to that. And then you can already train it via URL. You can already train it via FAQ, and you can actually interact with it and run through scenarios and all that awesome stuff. But today we're also launching the ability to do real-time feedback and fine tuning. So I'll show you what this is. This is so cool in my opinion. This was a great, whoever came up with this idea is a genius. So basically here's the idea. So you have this response here that the AI bot has provided. And let's just say you look at it and you're like, no, that's not exactly what I would have gone with there. Notice down below, you've got the up and the down, right? So what you're gonna do is if you hit the down, what you can see right here is that they ask the question, what salon services do you provide? And you can actually then see the answer that was provided that you don't like, and you can immediately change that answer and you can edit that entire response and hit train bot. And when you do, that will automatically go back into the training. So not only have we trained it via all the information, let's say on the website, and maybe you used a Google Doc and who knows what, any kind of URL accessible thing as your base, you're now able to go literally point for point anytime you see something you don't like and really fine tune that in. And so now when you go back in and you actually conversate, and this by the way is in the settings right now where you can actually talk to the bot and see exactly what it's gonna respond with. You can now see that it's gone and it's actually modified that exact, it's actually modified that whole flow. Whoa, hold on just a sec. There we go. Sorry. You never know when someone's gonna call you randomly, you know? So anyways, and then you can also do it here. So not only can you see the change here, but you can also consistently do it here. So same thing, right? Same up and down arrow. So you can do this same feedback. And then also when you go back and you see that later on, you look back at this response, you can see that it was down thumbed. And so you know that the training was done and you can obviously click on that and see what the change was, right? So a lot of ability to do a lot of fine tuning here. Let's see here. And let me see if there's anything else. Oh, the conversation page obviously mirrors the functionality of the trial page. We went over that. Contact detail page. It's also on the contact detail page. So it's on the conversations page. It's on the contact detail page. It's on the bot training page. So they all have that same UI. So you can do that same thing in all three places. Obviously, it gives you better bot responses and effortless training. It's really awesome. So really, at this point, the next stage is we are going full auto. So if this does not come out later this week, it will come out early next week. So jump in, use these features, start to make sure your training is locked in. But I am telling you, whoa, the AI bot is coming out very, very shortly, and it is based not on just what we've tested internally, but a lot of external marketers who've used it in real life. And man, it is amazing. So on that note, I hope you're having an awesome Wednesday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.